Hello there. Blockchain technology stands out as one of the most exciting and attention-grabbing innovations of recent years. Blockchain technology offers a decentralized, secure, and transparent database system. This technology is used for virtual wallets, NFTs, coins, and many other applications. As CEB, we create fun and informative videos about blockchain technology and the applications that use it. On our channel, we cover everything you need to know about blockchain technology, including virtual wallets, NFTs, coins, ICOs, and more. We also discuss lucrative airdrops and offer tips to help you take advantage of these opportunities. By watching our videos, you can learn more about blockchain technology. You can also use the useful tips on our channel to use your virtual wallets more securely and evaluate your NFTs more accurately. Additionally, you can stay informed about major projects like Aptos and Arbitrum's airdrops. To explore the full potential of this exciting technology and not miss out on the opportunities that blockchain has to offer, subscribe to our channel and follow us. With us, you can learn everything you need to know about blockchain technology and join the world's biggest financial revolution.